Hey guys, it's been a while. I've missed you guys and I hope that you missed me too. Guys, I quit my job to focus on YouTube. I even branded a t-shirt. So this thing is about to get real. I walked away from a 9 to 5 life and from working for other people so I can focus on myself, focus on building what is mine, focus on something that is more meaningful to me. And for now, I believe that one of those things is YouTube, building my YouTube career, building RJ Space as a brand. Before you get any ideas, this video is not me advocating against 9 to 5. This video is not me telling anybody to quit their jobs. No, this video is just going to be me sharing a couple of reasons why I did what I did and rebranding my channel with you guys. I want to go through the whole process of changing a lot of things. First of all is a t-shirt. If you like my t-shirt, let me know. So without talking too much, the first thing, or let me just run you guys through my reasons. So like many people stuck in unfulfilling jobs and many 9 to 5ers that I know would always say that they're not happy with their jobs, and that was the case for me. I just felt like I would wake up every morning, to go pour all my energy in someone else's dream while mine is just withering away. At a point, I just kind of wasn't happy waking up to go to work. That nagging feeling that I was made for something more, that nagging feeling that I could be building something that is my own with this time and energy, just made the whole 9 to 5 work unfulfilling and a bit sad for me. And trust me, I tried to ignore it, like every other person, we move, let's just hustle, but when who you are is not aligned with what you do every day, there's only so far that you can go, and it will affect you mentally, physically, and emotionally. And that was beginning to happen to me. That was when I knew, okay, something just had to be done. So secondly this one is a little bit personal. This is something I don't think I've ever shared on this channel, but I'm actually a mom. I have a 7-year-old and I was working in a private organization, and one thing some private organizations do in this country is they feel like they own you. I worked in a private organization, and because of the kind of work that I did, I had to be available constantly, even on weekends. Sometimes I get anxiety when my phone rang or my phone beeps. I just, this thought that it might be work, because it usually always is work, even when I am at home, with my family, and that constant pressure just started affecting me mentally, physically, emotionally. It started affecting my time with my friends, my time with my family, most importantly, my time with myself even. It affected my joy. It just stressed me out a lot. Any little time I had, I wanted to rest. I didn't want to engage in fun activities or like hobbies that I enjoy. And worst of all, it affected my YouTube channel. I became very inconsistent. I have been inconsistent actually since the beginning of this channel. I'm not going to lie. It's sad for me to say that, but yeah, that's what it is. I've been inconsistent because the job that I was doing, and that was low-key breaking my heart all the time, because YouTube is something that I really enjoy doing. I like to talk to you guys. I like to teach stuff, and I'm thankful for this platform, honestly. And I didn't want to have anything, take that away from me. Now let's talk money. Let's talk money. The truth is, in this country, a lot of jobs don't pay well. People are underpaid, but then stressed more. The pay is usually not worth the stress most of the time. And that was the case for me as well. I was working my ass out. I was, going above and beyond, putting all this effort. And then at the end of the month, I just look at the paycheck and I'm like, okay. And then one day it just hit me, if this job stresses me this much and I'm not even getting enough pay to take care of myself, let alone support my family, and there is something I can do about it, there is my channel literally staring at me. I mean, it was a case of, this is what I love and can pay me well, has paid me more than the job has, and this is the job I do, I don't necessarily enjoy doing this job, and it doesn't really pay me well. It was just like, it wasn't logically, it just made more sense that, you know, I pick this one. Guys, I was just tired of enduring life. I mean in the space, in the head space, emotional space, physical space, where I just want to live life. I don't want to keep enduring life. I want to do what lights me up. I want to do what makes my creativity come out. What I don't know if that's good English. I want to do what gives me joy. See, life is short. I know you've heard that a lot of times, but it is short. If you have the opportunity to do what truly gives you joy, my brother, my sister, do it. Do it. Go ahead and do it. I've said once on this channel that the regret of not doing something is usually worse than the regret of doing it and failing. I want to bet on myself. I want to believe in myself to do what actually matters to me. And like I said before, for now, this is focusing on YouTube for now. A lot of you might think that, oh, YouTube is not, you know, a career path, it's just hobby. I don't think, do people still think like that? YouTube, if done well, can literally change your life. And I know that I've experienced a little bit of that. Trust me, it is a powerful platform for impact, for growth, for income, and for freedom. And I know that if others can build themselves, build their passions, get paid well for it, and live well off of YouTube, I know that I can do the same thing too. And finally, guys, another reason why I, quit my job to focus on my life is because I am learning a new skill, a new tech skill. I don't know if I should tell you guys what it is or just let you guys guess down in the comment section. Should I just say it? Okay, guys, I'm learning cybersecurity. I just started learning cybersecurity, learning at home by myself. And I even, set up a new YouTube channel so I can document the process. It's as raw as it gets, with all the highs and lows. There is no video up there right now, but I'm going to link it in the description box. The first video should be up there this week, the same week you're going to be watching this. So if you want to join me, watch my growth, or also you're also learning cybersecurity or any tech skill, then please subscribe to that channel and let's go on this journey together. Yeah, so I needed time, like I said, to equip myself, learn new skills, have hobbies. And again, that's one of the reasons why I said to hell with 9 to 5. So what is next for RJ's Space? I know if you've followed me for a while, if you've been watching me for a while, you probably think that this girl is not serious. You'll probably be thinking, what's wrong with this girl? Why would she just take this YouTube thing serious? Why is she inconsistent? I apologize. I am sorry, guys. Like I've mentioned before, those were the reasons, kind of stopped. Work was a lot. Another reason for my inconsistency on this channel is the fact that I was kind of lost for a while. I just, this is a common thing with YouTubers, from my research, I found this out. I was kind of lost on what exactly to do. I know I was dabbling in a lot of things. I was, I wanted a clear path, not necessarily niching down completely, because you guys know I'm actually against picking a particular thing to talk about for the rest of your channel. I feel like that is not feasible. That's going to be a bit boring and you won't be able to sustain it for a long time. So what I wanted to do was to kind of have a core idea, like a core message, what my channel stands for, and then from that core message or that core story of mine, I can do different things that are related to it. That was the idea that Elisa came up with, and that led me to kind of, you probably cannot read this, but it says simplifying AI and creative tech for creators and dreamers. Now, this channel is going to be simplifying AI tools and creative tech for you guys and other people just want to explore. What that means is I'm going to, as usual, I'm going to continue coming on here to explain and break down complex AI tools that you can use in your content creation journey. Tools that will help you as a creator, even as a complete beginner. I don't like stressful things. I like to break things down. So this is what I plan to continue doing on this channel, especially for people who are not techie at all, but you want to also utilize AI tools and tech stuff like every other person to bring out your creativity and create better content. This channel is your go-to. This channel, just subscribe, okay? If you haven't, okay, just subscribe, because you're not going to regret it. If you have anything, any tool you want me to explore and explain to you like you're 5 or 7, you let me know. That is what this channel is going to be about, okay? So now from this tagline, there's so many other things I could do, that fall under this, which is the idea. It took me a lot of time, a lot of imposter syndrome, a lot of trial and error, a lot of doubts, self-doubt, to actually get here and kind of decide on having my channel focus on something like this. And that one of the reasons is because whenever somebody leaves a comment on my video to say, oh, I understand, or I just simplify something, it lightens me up. It makes me very happy to make a tutorial, simplify things, and somebody just gets it. It really makes me happy, and I want to continue doing that. We are building something beautiful here, guys. One video at a time, one AI tool at a time, one tutorial at a time, and I'm super happy that you're here with me. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't done that yet, please do, and like this video, share to those you think will find it interesting and will find this channel helpful. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.